we guide you through how to freeze a video in CapCut. So first, open the CapCut app and import the video you want to edit into a new project. And once your clip is on the timeline, move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the freeze effect to happen. Tap the clip once, then look for the freeze option in the toolbar at the bottom and select it. CapCut will automatically create a still frame from the exact moment and split your video into two parts. You can then adjust the duration of the freeze frame by dragging its edges on the timeline. Make it short for a quick pause or longer for dramatic effect. If needed, you can also add smooth transitions before or after the freeze to make it look more professional. Once you're satisfied, review the result to ensure the motion stops exactly where you intended and continues smoothly afterwards. And finally, export your video in the high quality and you're done. So that's it.